dog nail bed infection home treatment. Epsom salts. These salts are ideal for treating both types, bacterial and fungal, of infections. Add 1 cup of an Epsom salt in 2 gallons of warm water to make a solution. Soak the affected paw in this mixture for 10 minutes, 3-4 times a day. Make sure you wash the foot thoroughly after this procedure. Injured nail method is quite useful for those infections that have been caused by injuries. Trimming the damaged part before the healing of the wound avoids many other complications. It is important to sterilize the nail clipper with alcohol. No more bacteria in the nail bed. Don't use this technique ever if the injured nail is touching the quick antibacterial soap. Cleaning the debris and other irritating materials from the nail bed can relax your dog a bit. For this purpose, you should apply some antibacterial soap on a soft toothbrush and rub the wound softly. Don't forget to rinse the soap with warm water. Similarly, dry the nail completely, as moisture can make the situation even worse. Socks. Make your dog wear a soft cotton sock over the infected paw to keep it safe from more bacteria. In addition to protection, the socks allow the air to pass, which is necessary for the healing process. However, you should change the sock on a daily basis to keep it clean and dry.